got a quick trade recap for you guys. This is what I did today. I ended up profiting about $109. So starting off, we had some GBP news at pre-market open, 4:30 p.m. and that did a lot for GU. And GJ, I'm actually not looking at anymore because my thought process is, why am I trying to trade 3 pairs when I'm not a profitable trader? So I should just focus on 2, less is more, that kind of sense. But yeah, I still had everything marked out because it's my first day doing this new thing. And I've actually been updating, concising my strategy, trying to conserve losses and maximize wins. And I think I did well today. So on GU and EU was what I was looking at. The 4-hour was actually bearish trend, but we have this huge fair value gap here, which we've tapped multiple times. If you watched the last video, I took a trade on that there, which lost. And GU, similar thing, but this down move wasn't really trusted because it was from news, but yeah, we did hit that fair value gap. So I wasn't really trying to trade GU from this huge down move pre-market. So then on EU, what I was looking at was we had a bit of down moves, but there was no news for it. So it was trustworthy enough. Asia session low got swept, and that's when I took it off. And then when I was in the trade, I also noticed this low also got swept, and I was keeping in mind the fair value gap that I mentioned earlier. And then it was pretty simple. We got down move into then second candle. We break structure to the upside, closing above this high, bang. And then all I was looking for was something on the 1 minute. And what we got was equilibrium from this high to this low, got tapped. We didn't sweep this liquidity, which is initially what I was looking at. And I'm like, okay, what was that giant retrace? We've been moving up. All right, we hit equilibrium. And then I could have entered off of this kind of engulfing candle, but because it took 2 candles, this doesn't really count. So I waited for a break of structure, got entered. Where did I enter? I got a bit of a bad entry again up there at the top of that wick. And then we came down a little bit. I was a bit worried, but not too much, you know, can take a loss. And ended up going up, having a healthy retrace on the 15-minute. We formed a fair value gap. And once we did that, I moved my stop loss to this retrace, the initial one when I first took the trade. So now I was only risking like $30, can make 100, pretty good. And I went and had a shower around here, and no surprise, when I came back, I had secured the take profit. And honestly, what I was looking at was, I had this marked out to second take profit here, and I could have even targeted Asia highs. It's saying 1 to 7, but that's with the tighter stop loss. Let me just move this boy down. Oh yeah, I had stop loss at the close of this candle here. Could have had it here, but there's no point. May as well be a bit tighter. But yeah, I was thinking it's probably likely to take out these highs as well. But I was happy with just having take profit here, full take profit. And that is what I was wanted to talk about. How I'm securing more profits is by just having 1 or 2 take profits at like 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Because instead of having 3 take profits, 4 take profits at 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, it makes that 1 to 3 only worth $90, and that's harder to catch, a 1 to 3 versus a 1 to 2, where I just risk $50, 1 to 2, $100, bank, easy. And yeah, even though I thought it was gonna take out there, we were going against the 4-hour trend. We were bearish, and GU news, all that, I just wanted to get get out, easy 6.8 pips, catch the move up, and yeah, honestly, could go up to Asia highs, but that's relying on a 4-hour change of trend. If the 4-hour does change trend, it's probably gonna blast upwards, but hey, I'm happy with that. And my mic's about to run out, so that's the end of this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you like, and yeah,